YouTube, what up, y'all? What up, y'all? Welcome back to Lexus TV. Today, got another video for y'all, man. Today, we'll be changing the brake pads on my Lexus GS350. To be honest, I just took one off the rear, and they don't look bad at all. Honestly, there's still a lot of life on these ones. But, I'm gonna go ahead and change them, though, because I think the front one's bad, so I'm gonna change them all, and we're gonna go from there. So without further ado, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share all that good stuff, man. Almost at 500. Like I said, giveaway at 500. So y'all make sure y'all tune in. Share with a friend, all that good stuff, bro. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and dive into this brake pad replacement, or brake pad installation, or whatever you want to call it, bro. All right, y'all. So as you see, the old brake pads on the ground. I ain't even had to take the caliper off to get that motherfucker off, though. Real talk, that was real easy, for real. Pop the pins off, these little pins. They be up in there, pop them off. Shoot. Stuck this flat head in between and pushed it over. They came right on out, man. So, this the new ones. We put these in the box. I'm gonna break this box open. We're gonna go from there. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all. So, peep game. This is the front caliper. Change the brakes on that. Gotta pop this right here off. Pop that off. This got, that's 2 pistons. So you got to push it out here, and you got to push it out on that side. You got to put it out here. You got 2 right there. 1, 2. You got 1, 2. So you got to push all them back to get the brakes out. So the front might be a little more difficult for some, but it's still fairly easy. So take your time. Make sure you have all the right tools, and it won't take long at all. I done finished both of the backs already, so it ain't really been that long. So, all right, man, I'm gonna finish, and I'll be back afterwards. Slightly. All right, y'all. I'm on the passenger side now. The driver's side done, front and back. Like I said, it don't take long at all. I already popped one of the brake pads out. Right there, you can see that mother worn. You see the groove. Yeah. So these front brakes is worn as fuck. So might as well change all of them. So that's why I went on and did the back too. Especially when you get a good little discount on front and back brake pads. So you don't need just to change the front when you just might as well change all of them. Okay, be done with it. So the new ones right here. Bitch thick. Like I said, you got 2 pistons in the front on each side of the rotor. So you got 2 right there. You got 2 more on that side. So you got to get it out the best way you can get it out, cuz. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, man. Like I said, it's fairly easy. You pop this pin out. That pin is holding this little plate down. Pop that pin out. Take the plate off. You also got a little clip right here. Let me see. Hold on. You got this little clip that goes in over here. So it's a little hole. All right, you see the little hole, that little clip going, that little hole. Take that out. Pop the pin out. Take that off. And just pop the brakes out, man. The brake pads out. It's really that easy. Like I said, and I ain't even using my brake tool, my little brake kit tool. I'm just using a screwdriver, a hammer, and my torque wrench. That's it. I use this so I can turn this around so I can get to the hole when I put that little pin in. But that's it, bro. I use this to pop the, as a punch. So I ain't really using. I ain't like my brake kit tool over there somewhere. I ain't even use that because I ain't even had to take the calipers off. That's crazy, bro. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, man. Like I said, y'all share, comment, like, all that good stuff, bro. We on the road to 500. Giveaway at 500. Share all that good stuff, bro. Almost there. All right. I'll catch y'all when I finish. All right, y'all. All done. Brakes is put in. All done. I do got to go back to the back and put a pin on in the back. So I got to take that tab back off and put a pin on. That's all I got to do. I ain't even got to mess with the brakes. Just put a pin on that brake pad, keep it secure. So other than that, bro, I'm done with this brake pad to change. Like I said, I need oil for that. I couldn't even use that. I had to use the manual jack from the car, jack stand. All you need is a hand. These are the only tools you really need for this here on this model, bro. You don't need the brake kit, the brake pad kit, because you really don't have to take the calipers off. Like I said, but that's up to you. I mean, up to you guys. It's a decision whether y'all take the caliper off. I didn't take the caliper off, and this was probably the fastest I ever changed. Did a brake change, a brake pad change, and that was flawless. Like, so much time and effort saved. I mean, so much time saved from knowing what to do, knowing what to look for, tools to have. It's fairly easy, bro. So that's all I got for you guys today. I do got my these calipers will be painted within the, before the month's out. So be on the lookout for that. I'm waiting on my Lexus stickers to put on my calipers, so when I paint them, I can clear coat them onto the caliper. So all that'll be done at the same time. I was gonna paint them now and then stick the stickers on and go over with the clear coat when the stickers come. But I might as well just paint them on the same day the stickers come and do everything at one time to give you guys a full video. I feel like that'll be more informative. Other than that, bro, I'm done with this. About to clean up this mess, and I'm finna be out, man. Make sure y'all have a good day. Blessed 2024. I see y'all in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. I see y'all later.